Welcome to this video on Introduction to Handwritten Text Recognition. My name is Vesalainen, and I study data science at the University of Helsinki. This short video aims to give a brief overview of the handwritten text recognition method. Digitization has changed history research. Earlier studying historical materials always required visiting an archive or a library. Now the online archives make it easier to find the correct information and speed up the information search. Furthermore, everyone who wants can access this digitized data from their home computer, regardless of time and place. Although even if materials are more readily available, one challenge remains: interpreting the old, often handwritten texts. Traditionally, this has always required close reading. This is time-consuming, and addressing large, complex materials is very difficult. With the progress of computer vision technology, the usage of convolutional neural networks, we now have an opportunity to utilize these techniques for handwritten text as well. In this presentation, the focus is on handwritten text recognition. It refers to an electronic conversion of scanned or photographed images that include handwritten text. Another similar method called OCR, optical character recognition, is converting printed texts. Methods are very similar, although the variety of different characters in the printed text is much smaller due to the nature of printing. In HDR, every scribe has their own style of writing letters, and this makes the HDR task much more demanding. One way to measure the method's accuracy is character error rate. Today, the expected character error rate for OCR is less than 1%, meaning more than 99 characters out of 100 are recognized correctly. On the other hand, the character error rate for HDR is around 5% at the best. And this is expected to be improved when new models are introduced. The slide describes the typical phases of the text recognition method. Raw material covers the materials in archives or libraries. These can be historical documents or printed books. The processing always starts with the digitization. Documents are scanned or photographed and stored in JPEG or in another digital format. During the pre-processing phase, the system transfers image files to a uniform format and improves the quality of images for remaining steps. Pre-processing can include image deskewing, noise reduction, binarization, and other methods. Text recognition covers two main steps: page layout analysis and actual character recognition. The researchers prepare the text material for the actual research during the post-processing phase. For example, the phase can improve accuracy by comparing detected words against a given dictionary to avoid interpretation errors. The data analysis and research phase use data mining and other techniques to extrapolate patterns from the existing data. The heart of the HDR workflow is the text recognition phase. This consists of two steps: page layout analysis and character recognition. Page layout analysis aims to identify different subparts of an image: page titles, text regions, marginalia, footnotes, etc. This is achieved using a computer vision method called semantic segmentation, where every pixel of the image is analyzed if it belongs to a certain page object or not. The top picture shows how segmentation or page analysis works. In this example, it detects 5 different text regions from the image. These text regions usually are analyzed further to detect actual text lines. Actual character and word interpretation happens in the recognition phase. First, every text line is analyzed separately, and characters and words are detected accordingly. Both techniques utilize convolutional neural networks. In this presentation, I have briefly introduced the handwritten text recognition method. New computer vision technologies are enabling building efficient handwritten text recognition models. Tools are available, and historians and other researchers interested in historical documents can utilize them already today and address new research questions that were not possible earlier. I hope you have now a high-level understanding of handwritten text recognition method, and thank you for your interest.